If you want to learn how to prep up a car before it gets wrapped, this is the video to watch. I get so many messages on, hey man, how do I wash this car before I wrap it? And what soaps do I use? What's the process? How do I make sure that there's nothing that's gonna cause the vinyl to fail? And most of all, what are these? In this video, I'm gonna break down each and every step. So let's get to it right now. And if you don't know, wait, hold on. Subscribe to our channel so we can give you more tips and tricks just like this. Before I get into any of the tools and equipment that I use in this, in the link below will be a list of all of the tools that I've used and other stuff for wrapping and tinting. So click that link so you can see all of the tools that we're talking about. When prepping up any car, you gotta start with a pressure washer. You must have a pressure washer. If not, I get it, but it's time for you to invest in one. The tools that you're gonna need to prep up a vehicle is a pressure washer, microfiber sponges, clay bar, and that ShamWow towels right there, what they call it. Those towels that dry a lot of it really fast. But the soaps can vary. You can use Dawn dishwashing detergent. That's a good starter one to use. Or you can upgrade to use Chemical Guys Watermelon Spray Foam Wash. The last one is the strongest one, which is Chemical Guys Clean Slate. This actually removes the wax off of the vehicle. You only need to use one soap though. Don't mix them, don't do that. And I've seen people also say that, hey, I've even used the waterless or rinseless wash. If it works, it works. I'll test that out in the next video. All you gotta do is comment below, test it out, and I'll go ahead and create that for the next video. As you can see, there's so much dust on this, because even right there after I wiped it, you can still feel it. So pressure washer is definitely needed on this. Not just your regular little, I'm gonna just rinse it. Don't do that. When prepping this car, there are 3 steps that you need to do. Wash, clay bar, degrease, in that order. I have my soap-filled pressure washer and my microfiber sponge. Let's get to work. You definitely need these. If you don't know what these are clay bars, the synthetic kind. I like these a little bit better because if you drop these on the ground, you can rinse these off and go back to washing off the car. What these are actually used for is to get the dirt and debris off of the vehicles that you really can't see. These are the really, really small ones that's right there that you can barely even feel it. But these will get that off. Now that it's washed and we pressure washed it off, now we can go ahead and clay bar this thoroughly. Don't miss any nooks and crannies in there. You wanna make sure all of that small dirt, let's say this, if you don't clay bar it properly, you will leave little pimples in there. Now, let me say this also. Sometimes it is not you. It is actually in the paint. We get it. As a car wrapper, as whatever PPF installer, sometimes that person's paint is not the best. But if you see a lot of them all around and everything, inspect it because they may have not prepped the car properly, and that's why you're watching this video. So let's go ahead and make sure that we do this right. Now that we washed it and clay barred it, bring the vehicle inside because you don't want all the dust and dirt particles to be attracted back onto the car. So you want to control the environment at this point. So bring it inside and dry it off now. Now that it's dried off, you can go ahead and degrease it. Now I know that you're probably like, hey bro, isn't that a step, drying it off? Yes, I do know that. The major steps are washing it, clay barring it, and degreasing it. You gotta dry it. It's obvious. You gotta dry off the car. You wanna put that as a step? Sure. And here's a special tip right here. If you're wrapping this car, hold off on degreasing it just yet. Because when you start dismantling this car, a lot of dust and dirt is gonna come out from areas that you haven't washed before. But now it's time for you to degrease it. This is 70% isopropyl alcohol. Ouch. Don't water nothing down either. It's already at a good ratio. Do not spray the whole car. What you wanna do is spray your rag. I like to go in upward and downward motions to push off the rest of any grease, dirt, debris, lint, dust, whatever. Not only do you do the surface, but you also do the crevices too. So make sure that you dismantle, then degrease. since you feel like you washed it, clay barred it, and degreased it, and possibly even dismantled it, and you still feel like you don't fully trust your process just yet, here's something just for you. Right before you start wrapping it, use this. This is a tack cloth. This is gonna get off all the little lint and the last little bits of dust on there. But this will take out all of your worry, so that way you can wrap this and have it as a clean finish each and every time. I got something just for you though. In this video right here is some of the best tips and tricks on how to wrap cars thoroughly. Some of them you probably already knew, some of them you never even thought of. Go ahead and click the link right here